Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Aeonlabs Z-Wave water sensor. So we've got the water sensor right here. I've got one of the SmartThings branded Zigbee sensors just so we can compare it to this Aeonlabs water sensor. So we can see here Aeotech by Aeonlabs. There you go. So water sensor. So let's go ahead and pop this thing open. Doing it old school style here without a tripod. So definitely check out my unboxing of the Z-Wave or the SmartThings version. Packaging was definitely nicer, but it's not really that important here. So the whole thing just seems to be bundled in this little foam pad. So it looks like they include some screws and some 3M double-sided tape, which is nice. Here is the sensor itself, so it's a battery pack. It looks like the screws go through here, so we'll pop it off here in a second, and then there are the contacts for the water sensor. We've got a little manual here. Let's crack it open and see what we got. So we got the sensor, we've got the materials that it comes with. It says batteries. It feels kind of heavy, so maybe there's batteries inside, we'll find out. So it says pop the back off by pushing in the button, and the back will pop off. Remove the clear battery insulator, so it does say that there's batteries in there. Choose the positioning. So the sensor should stay dry, but the contacts are fine to get wet. So yeah, the back can be screwed on so you can clip it. And then we have the wake up button and the Z-Wave associate button. So, pretty simple stuff here. Let's go ahead and pop this back off. So it says we push this button and the back should slide off. See if I can do it one-handed here. There we go. So that comes off. Get some information. So the screws do go through there. We've got our little clear battery thing. So two AAA batteries. We have the wake up button and the Z-Wave button. Go ahead, pull the insulator out. So we do have an indicator light there on the front. Let's go ahead and pair this up with SmartThings. So I'll push the Z-Wave button. The red light is flashing, so it's weird that it's calling a door sensor. We've got a battery level. It says it's dry. Let's get the contacts wet. There we go. So it does work. Pretty simple to pair, really fast. So no complaints here. Let's go back and look at the unit side by side with the SmartThings. So side by side you can see the SmartThings water sensor is quite a bit smaller. This design is meant that the terminals are here on the bottom, and so it's just meant to rest on the ground, versus this is meant to be installed on the wall with the terminals down on the ground. So either way, it's up to you how you want to use them or why you want to use them. This is cheaper right now. I'll have prices to both of them in the description. This one is cheaper right now, but the reason I chose the Z-Wave over the SmartThings Zigbee is because of the Zigbee. Z-Wave I feel will be more future-proof in case I ever decide to go away from SmartThings. That's why I feel like between that and the ability that it has to extend the Z-Wave network versus the Zigbee can't extend Z-Wave, it does Zigbee, and I just have a lot fewer Zigbee devices. I only have 3 of these sensors and that is it. This one though has a temperature sensor built in, which this is just a water sensor. So that's one thing to keep in mind, that this does have a dual purpose and this has a single purpose. I'll use it for a little while and tell you what I think. This one's probably going to go in the utility room to be for the water heater. So I'll probably use some like double-sided tape to stick this to the water heater, and then we'll stick this down by the drain. So I'll post some pictures on my Facebook page and stuff, and Instagram when I've got it all done. If you have questions about either one of them or anything SmartThings, Z-Wave, computers, let me know. I'm happy to answer those questions for you. That's what I'm here for. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one.